Good. Good.
Good morning, everybody. Let's make sure we have chorale number 6 in front of us. And I want everybody to take a look at the soprano line. We're going to warm up playing this through all together. So let's get ready in our best playing posture. Do you see any dynamics in your parts?
Nope.
No.
Sure.
So where are they going to come from? You
Or nowhere.
me. So pay attention. Okay? So let's go ahead. We're all looking at the melody. You just heard it. Let's sing through this part. We're going to sing through the first 8 bars, and I want you to sing on the articulation that you would use to play legato on your instrument. So, in the woodwinds, I would like a la articulation for really delicate attack, and then over here in the low ends, a da or a do. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that one more time. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, let me give you a pitch again. 1, 2, ready. Great, thank you. Who thinks they could do that very, very well over here on the higher end of our instrument spectrum? I have a volunteer. Bernardo, to play, actually. Who could transfer what we just did in your singing to your playing? And let's listen to Bernardo. And have a look at that. You almost didn't hear any articulation between either of the notes, and that's a little bit too exaggerated, so we're going to go for something in between what we sang and what Bernardo played. And the reason I had you sing is that chorales, especially Bach chorales, are vocal pieces that have been arranged for your instruments, typically. So he wrote these as church music. And listen, now I'm going to play the bass line, and if you can follow in your books the bass line, listen for where I separate these phrases. And I want you to take your pencil and mark a breath mark wherever you can take a pretty nice healthy breath. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. I meant to do 4, I think I did 5. How many did you know? I did 4?
I got 4.
Okay.
I got 5. Oh, you did?
Okay. I probably breathed in measure 6. Did you mark one there? Okay. Put that one in parentheses. And I took that one because I really, really needed to. And if you really, really need to, you can take one there too. But you should, if you can help it. So let's go ahead. This half of the room, play the soprano line. This half of the room, play the bass line. And we're going to go all the way through. A little bit faster, because right now it sounds like we're playing a dirge. And church music, although sometimes it's funeral music, not always. So 1, 2, 3. Listen now, I'm going to go over to the piano and play these 2 lines together. We're not playing all together all the time, so listen for spaces where these notes move at different times, and notice where they happen, typically. 1, 2, 3. So they're really, really important, and if you're playing a moving note, you need to bring it up. Can I have 2 volunteers to play the soprano line and the bass line together? It doesn't have to be on the same side of the room that you've been on, and then we'll listen for that. Okay. Becca, you would like to play the bass line, soprano line? Sure. Megan? Okay. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Tonight and look at the tenor line, and when we come back we're going to put that together and we're going to play a few different trios. For now, I'm going to play it with you, and let's go ahead and read through this chorale one more time and see if you can listen for how my part fits into yours so that you know what it sounds like when you go home. Okay, so let's start from the top and we'll read all the way through. Very good. Play soprano and bass. Or actually pick whichever part you want, soprano or bass. Okay? 1, 2, 3.